Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need accounts, verification, and a payment method before you begin. First, open Google Pay and enable rewards in settings, then add a default card or dollar balance so offers can apply instantly. Once done, navigate to your My 11 Circle group or shared list inside Google Pay. This is where rewards, redemptions, and split payments will be coordinated. Make sure each Circle member has accepted the invite and turned on notifications so everyone sees eligible offers and group redemptions as they appear. You'll see eligible rewards listed. Tap one, read the terms, then choose Apply or Claim and pick who in My 11 Circle receives it. When it's a shared reward, select how to split it. Choose a fixed dollar amount or a percentage like 50%, then confirm so Google Pay applies it at checkout. Once used, check transaction history to verify the reward attached correctly. If a mismatch occurs, edit the allocation or reassign within the circle to keep balances accurate and fair. Finish your purchase with the claimed reward applied, double-check final totals, and notify your My 11 Circle members so everyone's records match. If the reward doesn't apply, make sure it wasn't expired, that the vendor is eligible, and that the selected payment method is active. Also confirm the recipient is still in the circle. If these checks don't help, capture screenshots and transaction ID. Then contact Google Pay support. Escalate with clear details so they can quickly restore or reassign the reward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.